Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks activation. Check that your roaming plan includes roaming numbers and that your account is in good standing. This prevents unexpected blocks. Once done, locate your account login, device PIN, and IMEI because you will need them during registration. Make sure the device is unlocked, and if instructed, remove any local SIM so the system can provision the roaming number. This saves time and avoids repeated support calls. You now provision the number through the carrier portal or app. This is where the magic happens. Log in, choose Activate Roaming Number, and input the IMEI Plus device model so provisioning targets your hardware. Select preferences like Preferred Number Presentation and Voicemail Routing. These choices affect billing and caller ID. Once you submit, authenticate with OTP or security code to authorize changes. After confirmation, give the system a few minutes to push settings to the device, then proceed to verification. You finish by verifying that the roaming number is active and functioning. Make test incoming and outgoing calls and send an SMS to confirm routing and caller ID. Inspect voicemail behavior too. Then check the carrier dashboard for provisioning status and any error logs to understand issues quickly. If something fails, reboot the device, rerun authentication, and confirm settings. If it still fails, contact carrier support with your error codes and IMEI so they can trace provisioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.